I feel nervous today. I hope nothing bad happens. My hands are shaking. I must focus.
Mike looks worried today. Is he okay?
Please don't call my name. Not today. Calm down, breathe slowly, it's okay. Mike, are you okay? I don't want to talk right now. Should I try? No, maybe not.
He wanted to speak. I can see it.
So many mistakes. Why is grammar so hard? Class is over. I feel relieved but lonely. I wish I could speak English better.
Hi, Mike. You look tired. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just a little embarrassed.
This is the best.
Totally. Cheers! They are laughing. Maybe at me. Why do I feel so small?
It's okay. I'm here.
I just want to disappear.
Tell me what happened.
I made a mistake. Everyone heard it.
Mistakes happen. It's normal. You are not bad at English.
No, I am not good.
You can improve. I believe in you.
I'm afraid to speak again.
Let's practice together. Look, we can start from here.
Okay, I will try.
Ready?
Yes, slowly. My name is Mike. I like drawing.
That was good!
Really? It sounded okay?
Yes! Very clear.
Maybe I can do this.
Speak slowly. Don't rush.
I feel a little better now.
See?
Maybe you are right. My English is still weak.
Let's learn this word.
Confidence. Confidence.
Perfect pronunciation. Nice day to study.
Yes, it feels calm. This story looks simple. The boy walks to school. Walk, walked, walking.
Take your time.
The sun is bright today. I am speaking clearly.
You improved your sound.
This is not so scary.
Very good, Mike. Let's study in the library.
Good idea. What does this word mean?
It means happy and calm.
Peaceful.
You said it well.
Thank you. I enjoy reading now.
I'm proud of you.
I finished the page.
Piano fades out gently.
Let's walk.
Yes, I want to talk more. I feel more confident today. I will try in class again.
Who wants to answer?
I will try.
You can do it.
Thanks, Emily. I am ready. Don't be afraid. I will speak clearly. The answer is simple.
Good answer. Thank you.
I did it.
Yes!
I am proud of myself.
You were amazing.
Thanks to you. Speaking feels easier now.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, it's nice.
It is.
I was pretty nervous, but I think it went well.
You sound natural. Let's play a word game.
Okay. This is fun.
Think carefully.
I know the answer.
High five!
I believe in myself. I am improving every day. My voice sounds stronger.
You sound great.
I am not afraid anymore. Practice makes progress. Thank you for listening. He has grown so much. English is part of my life now.
Good job!
Thank you.
Nice evening.
Yes, very peaceful. I want to teach others too.
That's a great dream.
This bench changed my life. I am stronger now.
Look at our school.
I will keep going.
New day.
New confidence. I am happy.
Ready for tomorrow?
Always.